welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back for another video. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will subscribe. And yeah, if you like the video, please click the like button. And yeah, so it is another vlog. Today is a Friday. I don't know the date, probably the 28th. So yeah, I am gonna go out. As you can see, my hair is done. So I removed the walls and it looks pretty. So the only reason why I did this hairstyle was because I wanted to make this messy bun situation. So Bagang did my hair. It's $150 to do this. So I will leave her number on the screen and the description box if you guys wanna play it, like singles, warlocks and stuff like that. She's really good, you can see. So what did I want to say again? Oh, she does house calls at an extra fee, of course. And yeah, obviously prices depend on how long you want your hair and stuff like that. So yeah, do hit her up. She will be able to make you look pretty and ready for winter. So yeah, I did say today's a Friday. I talk too much. Today's a Friday and I am going to Oriental Plaza. I'm looking for sweatpants in like various colors, and I know the shop to find them in. Then I'm gonna take my mom to the clinic, get something by there, and then we come back home because I have a client at lunch hour. So yeah, so I just thought I should take you guys with to do my little shopping and just show you guys, because I also need to shoot like exactly where I find the things, because it can be pretty hard explaining the shops where I get stuff. So if I could shoot like maybe little clips of where I'm going, so that when I shoot the town hall, I could insert the clips of where I got the stuff. It'll be easy for you guys to go find them. And yeah, that's just about it. So let's go. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you will like the video and literally click the like button and join the family if you haven't. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is a Saturday. I lost to you guys yesterday when I was doing a little bit of shopping, which I'm not even sure that I vlogged at the shop. So today is a Saturday and it's almost 5 o'clock. I think it's like 2:05, and I am rushing to get braids, like yeah, braids to plait. My friend is doing her hair and she ran short of braids, so I have to get there before the shop closes, which I think closes at 5. Get her braids, drop them off at her, and then I'm gonna buy, like, okay, we're having a games night tonight at my friend's house. So we decided that we're gonna order some Debonair's and KFC, but obviously we need like snacks, nyana, something to keep warm. So I'm gonna buy, sorry, these things can be annoying. I'm gonna buy hot chocolate. I'm gonna buy some marshmallows, maybe tennis biscuits or something, like maybe scones, or I don't know, something to have with like hot chocolate, maybe some drinks like Coke. So yeah, I will take you guys with me when we do a little shopping, and then I will try to vlog a bit at the games night. But I forgot to take my ring light, which is what I use to hold my camera most of the time when I'm shooting. But I'll see what to do. So right now, let's go get the braid and hopefully we'll find it. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to another day on the vlog. My face looks pale. I applied a moisturizer, but it's supposed to help with my oily skin. I don't know. I didn't apply sunscreen because I'm not going anywhere, but I probably should apply it because that's what I normally do. And my face is breaking out. I don't know why. Maybe it's almost that time of the month. Who knows? So today today's a Saturday. I am in Mahalabe and I've been craving hunger buster. The hunger buster. I've been craving hunger buster. The Sultana name is weird. I won't say it, but it's very weird. But I've been craving that. So I just thought, you know what, let me just treat myself today and actually make some. So I'm gonna use fat cakes and minced meat. So obviously I'm gonna start making the dough first. At least I'm using baking powder so I won't have to let it raise. So I think I'm just gonna do them side by side. Probably do the dough and then when I cook the magwinya, then I cook the mince as well. Maybe cut the veggies first. I don't know, we'll see. I'm all alone. I don't have a tripod here or anything to hold my phone. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because I was actually gonna film this with you guys, but I'll make a plan. Let me see what to do. Okay, 3 cups of flour and then 3 teaspoons, flat teaspoons of baking powder. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and then sugar. I don't know how much salt, but you guys will see. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I think that much salt is fine. And then I'm gonna add sugar. Just hold on. Okay, sugar, I think I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 or maybe 8. I don't know, because I don't want them to be sweet, but I don't want them to be salty. I just want them to be neutral. I think that's fine. Yeah, that should do it. I'm gonna end the beans inside in a way. So this is done. I'm gonna need lukewarm water and then I'm just gonna mix it together. Right, so I'll see you guys maybe during the process. Yeah. I'm done with the dough. My mom says if you wanna know if your dough is fine, it'll get like extremely sort of like non-sticky. So yeah, when I do this it doesn't stick. So I guess I'm good to go. So I'm just gonna prepare my veggies or cut my veggies and then we're gonna fry up everything. So I'm done cutting my veggies. I like to use tomato sauce for my mince. So I'm gonna use that as well as oyster sauce and crushed garlic and ginger. We have a refill in the fridge in case I need that. I like to use a lot of that. So yeah, I think my oil is heated up. My oil is heated up, so let's go fry. Let's go fry the mince. All right, so the dough is in. Dough. The bread is in, as well as the veggies are fried. So I'm gonna add the mince here. Just gonna put a lid on top of the magwinya. I'm gonna add some spices to the mince. Spice for mince: paprika, steak and chops, barbecue, some crushed chili, and some black pepper. Just a little bit. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I'm embarrassed. I haven't been vlogging for the longest time. I don't know, this vlog is all over the place. Like, I just shoot today, stay 3 days without shooting, and then remember that I'm actually vlogging and I'm doing something fun and worth showing you guys, and then I remember to pick the camera and shoot again. So over the past few days, I did my nails like a multicolored thingy, the gray, the white, you know, a beautiful mess, the nude, just I don't know what the thingy can't focus, but yeah, just a beautiful mess. Hope you guys can see. It's a beautiful mess. I like nails like this. Lately I'm just into multicolored nails, but yeah, I think over the days I did my nails. What did I get up to? It wasn't really anything, so today I just woke up and decided I'm gonna take pictures, hence why I'm looking put together like this. But yeah, I woke up, I made breakfast, just nothing hectic. The clip is gonna follow literally now.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kiss fall.
Okay, so yeah, after having breakfast, I decided to chill a bit and then just work on my face a little bit. I feel like I get better with makeup every single time I do makeup, right? Yeah, like it gets better. I should keep practicing. One day I'm gonna be able to apply lashes, just wait and see. So yeah, that's just about it. I'm wearing this scarf. I was actually watching Face of Over Meta's video while doing this headscarf. I used to see some, you know, a little tutorial nyana how to make it look cute, but I think I did well. So yeah, I think I was just taking pictures to post them tomorrow, just to celebrate the African child, you know. Obviously a lot has happened in the past, whatever, but I feel like we need to be celebrated, one. So I took that picture to post it tomorrow on Instagram. Yeah, just to celebrate the African child, man. Like, that's really the only reason, and I wish I could go like this. I don't know why, but I never really put on scarves. I never do. This is actually a two-piece thing. It came with a skirt that looks exactly like this. My mom got this for me a couple of years ago. I never really use it. Like, I'd wear the skirt alone with like a top or whatever, but never really put this to use. So yeah, I thought today, let me just use this. Let me take pictures, get out of my comfort zone and look pretty. So here I am. Anyways, that's just about it. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this vlog. I know it was all over the place. I apologize. I'm gonna do better. Literally my next video will look put together, I promise. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'm really happy that you joined the family, and I really appreciate you guys. That's all I'm gonna say, really. Thank you and bye.